If you want to turn your written words into a voiceover inside CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use CapCut Voice to text AI step by step, so you can create clean, professional sounding narration without recording your own voice. This is super useful for tutorials, faceless videos, reels, shorts, and any project where you want fast voiceovers. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the CapCut app and load the project you want to work on. If you don't already have a project open, create a new one and add the clips or images you want to edit. Once you're inside the project, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen and tap the text icon. This is where CapCut lets you add on-screen words and also create text-based voiceovers. Next, tap Add Text. A text box will appear on your screen, and this is where you'll type the script you want CapCut to read aloud. Make sure your text is clear and easy to follow, because the AI voice will read exactly what you type. You can keep it short for a quick clip, or write a longer script if you're making a full tutorial or explanation video. Once you've typed everything in, confirm the text and place it in your timeline. Now comes the important part. Tap the text layer on your editing timeline so CapCut knows which text you want to convert. After selecting it, look for the text-to-speech option. Depending on your version of CapCut, this may also appear as a text-to-audio. Tap that option and CapCut will take you to the voice selection screen. On this screen, you'll see a variety of AI voices to choose from. Some are male voices, some are female voices, and some are more stylized character voices. Take a moment to browse through them because the voice you choose can completely change the feel of your video. If you want something natural and clear, choose a simple voice. If you want something more engaging or unique, try one of the character options. Tap on any voice to hear a preview before you commit. Once you've found the voice that fits your project, select it and get ready to generate the audio. You'll usually see a check mark, a generate button, or a start reading button depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Tap that button and CapCut will automatically convert your text into an audio track. In just a few seconds, the app will create a voiceover that matches your script and place it on your timeline. After the audio is generated, play it back to make sure everything sounds right. Check the timing, the pacing, and whether the voice fits the style of your video. If needed, you can go back and edit the text, try a different voice, or regenerate the audio until you get the result you want. That's one of the best things about CapCut Voice to Text AI. It saves time and makes it easy to experiment until your video sounds perfect. If you're using this for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other content platform, this feature can help you create videos much faster. Instead of recording multiple takes, you can type your script once and let CapCut do the speaking for you. It's a great workflow for creators who want speed, consistency, and a polished result, and that's it. You now know how to use CapCut Voice to text AI inside your project. Just add your text, open text-to-speech, choose an AI voice, and generate the audio. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides, and I'll see you in the next one.